Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you fit and fine at your home. Today we discuss about your second chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 25. This is your second chapter, whole numbers. Children, you know the counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. These are natural numbers. And what is whole numbers? The natural numbers along with 0 are known as whole numbers. Let's see, some points are given in your book. Counting numbers are usually called natural numbers. Natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. Example 0, 1, 2, 3 like this are whole numbers. Then every whole number has a successor which can be obtained by adding 1 to it. Example, successor of 0 equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Successor of 999 equal to 999 plus 1 equal to 1000, and so on. Every whole number other than 0 has a predecessor which can be obtained by subtracting 1 from it. Example, predecessor of 1 equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. Predecessor of 1000 equal to 1000 minus 1 equal to 999. Clear children? Then turn the next page. Representation of whole numbers on number line. See children, this is a number line. Draw a straight line and mark a point O on it. Like this you draw a straight line and starting point is O. To the number 0, mark the points A, B, C, D on the line towards right of 0 at equal distance. Like this you have to mention A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so on. Since the distance between O and A and B, B and C, etc. are equal, therefore OA equal to AB equal to BC equal to CD. Like this, DE and EF. So all the distance are equal. Suppose OA equal to 1 unit, then OB equal to 1 unit plus 1 unit equal to 2 units. OC equal to 1 unit plus 1 unit plus 1 unit equal to 3 units. Suppose OD equal to children what? OA means 1 unit, then 2 unit, then 3, then 4. So OD equal to 4 units and so on. Here one box is given. Let's see. One number, 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay. 2 number, there is no largest whole number or there are infinite number of whole numbers. 3 number, every whole number has a successor That is 6 is the successor of 5. 5 is the successor of 4. 10 is the successor of 9. Like this. Then 4 number. Every whole number except 0 has a predecessor. Example, 5 is the predecessor of 6 and 0 is the predecessor of 1. But 0 has no predecessor in the whole numbers. 5 number. Every whole number on the number line is greater than every whole number on its left. Example, 4 greater than 3, 5 greater than 4, 6 greater than 5. Like this. Then 6 number. Every whole number on the number line is less than every whole number on its right. That is 3 less than 4, 4 less than 5, 5 less than 6. Like this. So children, clear about this number line? Okay. Next class we discussed addition of a number line and subtraction of the number line. So children, you learn the important points. Thank you.